Hello everyone, welcome for joining this live webinar. I am Sargam Tiwari from Tech Jobs Fair, and today I am with my colleague Bindu Kalvadia. She will tell you in detail about our platform, which is High Tech Talent, and how we are going to introduce today this with you. And we are very excited to announce our platform, which is very useful for job seekers and recruiters as well. So, as it is a reverse recruitment platform, and today we will talk about in this session like what is reverse recruitment, how it works, and how this platform can help you in getting the job and finding the best talent as per your requirement. So, hi Bindu, how are you?
Hi Sagam, I'm doing good. And I think it's going to be a great session when we both are presenting our great platform, which is High Tech Talent. Super happy for this session. And I think, and I'm sure, not thinking, I'm sure the audience here is also super excited for this session because it's going to be very informative for your career. So, yes, allow me. When
Yeah,
can I
I
start? So, please let me know. Yeah.
sure. Thank you so much, Bindu, for joining. And if you can tell a bit about before if we go uh, related to the higher tech talent platform, right? So if you can tell us a bit about yourself to our audience, so yeah, they will know.
Oh, lovely. Yeah, sure. Why not? For about myself, yes, as you introduced well, my name is Bindu Kalvadia and I'm a part of Tech Jobs Fair. Tech Job Fair, and today I'm going to talk more about high tech talent. So, what is high tech talent? High tech talent is a part of Tech Job Fair, is a platform which is based on reverse recruitment process. A small presentation will help you to learn more about the platform and its benefit and yes what not, and definitely your questions will help us to explain more about the platform. So yes, Sargam, I think we are having some questions which we are generally uh, getting or facing from through this platform through our customer support team and our contact page. But yes, we are live today and to have your queries. So yes, we would love to have your question. And definitely in this session, these are the points which we will talk about. Something more about how you can have your profile here and how to create your profile, why to create your profile, and what are the benefits to create the profile. And there are two parts of this platform. One is for the companies, and another for is the candidate. But yes, first we will talk more about the candidate part. So definitely, Sargam, shall we start the presentation or should
Yeah,
we wait for the, yeah.
yeah, sure.
Okay, so hope you all can see my screen and your reactions will definitely help us more. And High Tech Talent is a platform which is designed well for the tech based focused platform it is, and which is designed well for the candidates who are from IT, tech, marketing, and sales background. We have slowly added the management candidates also. So this way, this is the platform which is very well designed for a particular niche based, can say skill set. Yes, it's a part of Tech Job Fair. How we will explain in my other upcoming slides. So let's talk a bit more about what is the talents and what is the approach. So basically, this tech talent is connected around the globe with a lot many companies. So basically, we are active on 14 countries, but yes, we are going to add more countries. And yes, related to this country part, we are having some questions also. We'll let you know. But if you have now any questions when I'm sharing about the slides, feel free to drop that in the chat session. Yes, so this is like what is the high tech talent? And high tech talent is a recruitment platform which is for IT and digital marketing jobs. Many software engineers, project manager, data analytics. So these are the basic profiles which you will be able to see here. And yes, you will be finding all these skill set based candidates here. But if you are a candidate I'm sure you hate cover letters, right? So, cover letter is something which is explaining more about you. But here, high tech talent is something which is helping you more to remove that, I can say, hurdle for you. So, yes, so why don't, okay, I think this is more interesting. You don't want to lose your, time, and I think I should say energy for applying lot many hundreds of job offer. Basically, um, here I wanted to talk when I shared more about like saving your time and approaching to the multiple countries, and when I was talking about the skill set, about when I was talking about the cover letter. So these are the points which I'm going to cover here in the benefits of the talent. So yes, we have worked in this way that candidates are facing some problems. So like they have to create their profile every time when they are going to a particular platform, or particular, we can say, when they are applying for the particular company, right? So here, no worries, it's a reverse recruitment based platform where companies will be reaching out to you. So I have seen some lines being added by my colleague. So she has mentioned it very well. So that it's like a switching the role. So this is I love that. So I thought of sharing here also. So yes, it's actually switching the role of the I can say candidate and the recruiter. Recruiters will be reaching out to you. So how? I'll be sharing more. So you need to do your create your profile, and let us complete the screening process. So screening process, what is that? During the screening process, it's just that you have to complete the profile. It should reach to the 100%, and then you will have a short one-to-one call with our talent advocate, where they will be helping you out more. So this is specifically for the candidates. So yes, talents, they are here there to help you one-to-one, to let you know that your vector. And yes, after this interview or one-to-one interaction, you will be able to have your profile visible for the exhibitors come companies. When I say exhibitor, I'll share that more with you, and that's the point when I'll talk more about how it is connected with the tech jobs fair. But yes, here it is all about creating your profile, getting talk or touch with our talent advocate, let them do their screening job done, and then you will be having your profile live, and you will be getting lot many I can say offers and interactions. And yes, basically, yes, Sargam, as we know, event is all about like the tech jobs fair. So when you are connecting with the high tech talent, you are getting a chance to connect with our events, so which is a part of tech jobs fair. So TechJofair is organizing events around the globe and providing you the ticket via high tech talent, and being a active candidate over the high tech talent, you are getting tickets for the particular events you are interested in. Yes, you can pick the particular events you wanted to attend. So yes, before the event, it is quite simple as I just shared. You need to create your profile and get the tickets for the event and join the event. And during the event, yes, get connected with those exhibitors, come companies and recruiters who are there for the hiring activities. So yes, this is the hiring and branding event which is organized by Tech Jobs Fair. So yes, in these job events, you will be getting connected with lot many exhibitors, team member, and yes, like-minded people I can add here, and you will be having your network vast when you are joining our events. So yes, this is not only about till the event. There is something more which is after the event also. So after the event, a employer will be able to connect you via higher tech talent. So this is the very important part that please, we have seen many queries when candidates are saying that they are, what is after the event? So there is a lot after the event, and there is actually the result is after the event. I can say interviews you have met during the event, they will be able to connect you after the event also, and they can take the process further, I mean to say. And yes, you can have the interview invite again for the particular location, or you can get the job offer also. And yes, this way you can get yourself hired. Okay, what are the problems? Surely we have worked well on this. That what are the problems you guys are facing when you are a job seeker? And there is a problem of the companies also, for the tech companies. So we have made it very easy to understand for you via this slide. That transparency, companies require a proper transparency, what are they looking for and what are you having, right? Whether you are efficient in that particular skill set, how efficient are you, and what is the technical skill set you are having. So talents, when they are the form, the application, the, I can say, like when you're creating your profile, that has been designed very well, that the tech companies, what are they looking for, they'll exactly able to track that. So yes, this is going to be very helpful for you. And I'm sure here many of us, we all understand that ATS system, etc., how are they tracking the application, right? What is the application system is all about. So this is the platform which is really compatible for those I can say systems, and will be able to help you to get highlighted among all those many other applicants. And yes, we are here to help you. So but yes, what are the solution we have worked on those hiring problems or misunderstanding I just shared with you. So how are we helping? What are the solutions we have decided, we have come up with? I can say there is, as I mentioned earlier also, once when you create your profile, we screen the talents before we approve them. Approving is something, and what is the screening process? Screening process is including with the personal interview, and even if the code test is required, that also been conducted by our talent advocate. But yes, when the screening process happen, before having one-to-one interaction, your profile will not be visible to the exhibitors come recruiters. So yes, please let us approve the profile via having a personal interview. This is very helpful for companies to understand that whether you are technically capable, how culture fit are you, and what is your language skill set, etc. So yes, here we try to let you know what are the basically process of this. So this, when you understand this process, I'm sure you will definitely get to know how this is very well fitting into the requirement of your job search, right? So when a talent is directly applying to multiple companies, they are definitely, whether, as I mentioned just now, that whether their profile is your profile is like completely compatible for their ATS system or not, application tracking system, right? So that's the one problem which we are trying to solve here with the help of higher tech talent. As I mentioned, the format is been designed in a such a way that it will be very easy for companies to have the exact information what are they looking for, and yes, reaching out to you. So yes, to have those like profiles visible and make it happen for you, we have these steps, like first the screening, and then making your having the, after screening there is a process of interview, like which is one to one interaction. And then yes, your profile will be visible to the exhibitors, and they will be exactly able to see your profile skills. And then yes, definitely they will be reaching out to you. So this is the very interesting point. As I mentioned in my previous slide also, that instead of applying to lot many 100,000 applications, sending to this company, that company, do not worry, just apply here, create your profile here. Companies will be finding you and reaching out to you. Will definitely send you the interview invite also. But yes, there is a lot more about the exhibitors and employer also. So I'm sure here today we have many companies, and we have seen many people has send us many messages that how this is beneficial for the exhibitor come employer also. So let's talk about their benefit, and what are their like what are the specifications, features are there for them as well as. So I'll just wrap it like before the event, after the event, and yes, on the day of the event, what is special for them. So it is quite simple. Create your employer profile on HTT. Yes, the best part is you can invite your team member also. They can list the job positions and you can assign the particular person for the particular role. And yes, they will be able to see many good matches, and they can bookmark, and not many features are there for high tech talent. If you like to explore more, feel free to reach out, and there is like a link which you can connect with us and to get a a demo how high tech talent is working and how it can be beneficial for you. But yes, event, when I will talk about again how it is connected with tech jobs fair. So yes, um, high tech talent is connected with tech jobs fair in that way that we are having event, as I mentioned just now. So when event will happen, many candidates are coming to this event, and who has created their profile on high tech talent. Profile means complete profile. When they are completing their 100% profile, then only their profile is visible after the screening process, which includes the interview, right? So these profiles, and these are the candidates who are getting the tickets for the event and coming to the event also. Yes, many I can say like many more candidates are coming, like walk-ins also happen. But yes, during the event when you are meeting with those candidates, they are, every candidate who is visiting the event is also having a profile on high tech talent. So this way you are able to have a complete profile of the candidates you are meeting on the event day. Do not worry, have the great interaction with the candidates, share more about your openings and meet those talents. And do not worry, we will be providing you the exact detail of those candidates you have met during the event day. So how you can get in touch with them after the event? Yes, you can exactly see the details, or the, I can say, details of the candidates you have met during the event. You can review them, you can shortlist them. Yes, you can hire them definitely. So yes, this is a short note about what is there for the candidate and what is there for the exhibitor. But here I like to describe this, that this is uh, I I think the difference when we are comparing with some other I can say portal or platforms, we find it. I thought of just sharing it. Like, we find it very easy that what are the problems you are facing there, how we have solved, and how we have worked on those problems on high tech talent, right? So this is basically, which is very interesting for many companies and candidates. I think Sargam will agree with me that this is very interesting for companies, right? That it's a reverse recruitment based platform. So do not worry, it's not like a simple job platform where you have just posted your job and you don't know who all are going to apply, right? And how many you are getting to relevant or irrelevant. So it's not like that. It's like reverse recruitment platform where companies will be reaching out to you. And for companies, yes, you can see to whom you wanted to connect with, right? Talents need to apply on journal, other portals. So here companies will be able to handpick the candidates and will be able to connect with them. On other platform, I found there is no assurance of qualified candidates. Yes, I respect few, but yes, I can say like we have done our job in a great way to screen the candidates and qualify the talents for the companies. Because here companies will be able to list their job openings, and we will be able to see that what are the openings they are having and similar candidates whether we are having or not. And this will definitely help them to get the pre-screen and qualified talent for their company, right? And it will definitely help them to get a freedom from shortlisting the resumes, etc. Because already when you are applying for one job, you're getting 100 resume, you have to shortlist, right? So here, do not worry, when you are posting your one job, you can see the relevant candidates only when there is a job, and under that you will finding options relevant job. What is the option and all I'm talking about? We'll share more about that. But yes, let's talk about the some more feature, how it is different from others. So yes, you can get hired and get yeah, similar talents as per the requirement, which is just I have mentioned that other platforms applications might be there is it is very common. I have also seen in my career that many irrelevant profiles we are seeing, and which is wasting our time. So time saving is very important here. So yes, applicants belongs to various industries which is not at all relevant, and companies bearing this pain of posting the same job again and again and again, which is really expensive for them, which is not a cost effective, right? So here it is just posting a job, getting the relevant candidates, multiple benefits I feel. So like getting the relevant candidates, saving the time, saving the money, so which is very interesting, I believe, for many of the recruiters to work on that. So yes, I'm going to the next slide, which is definitely share more about the benefit. But yes, here the benefit is employer will apply to you. Yes, this is as I shared just now. And yes, everyone, please create your profile on high tech talent, and this creating the profile itself will get connect you with our talent advocates. So this is, do not worry. And thanks a lot for listening in such a great way, bearing with me. But yes, Sagam, if we have any questions, or I think we also have we are here with some questions, right? So we are generally facing through our portal, so we can also talk about those.
Sure, and thank you so much, Bindu, for sharing this presentation. And I hope this presentation will help our many viewers, and they now understood what high tech talent is and how it works, right? But moving forward, definitely, as we receive many questions from the talent side and the from the employer side as well. So let's we can talk on this as well. And I can see like there are many viewers. They are also giving their comments and thoughts. And yeah, so if anyone have any question related to the platform, or if you have any, I mean, created your profile on High Tech Talent platform. So how was your experience, right? So you can also share. And yeah, moving forward, I would like to ask first question here related to the platform with the tech job sphere, right? Because many viewers or many we can say attendees or who join our event, so they usually ask this question. So what is the relationship between the tech job sphere and the high tech talent?
Yes, you are right, Sargam, and I think this is the questions which is very common, and I wanted to answer this question every time when everyone has a question, because this is very important for every candidate to know what is the relation between tech jobs fair and high tech talent. High tech talent is a part of tech jobs fair when you are coming for the event, that is for your career journey, right? To interact with the companies and exhibitors, right? So when you are coming for the event, you need to get a ticket for the particular event, right? So first of all, you need to create your profile to have that ticket. So it is also important for you only, because you will be creating your profile, we will be notifying you that this is the company which is looking for you via multiple newsletter, etc. So this is something very important for you, that what is gonna happen in tech jobs fair, you will get to know when you are having your profile on high tech talent. So if something I have missed, Sargam, which is very important for our audience to know, please feel free to add. But yes, this is very important for them, I believe, to create their profile on high tech talent, and getting all those notification and information about our speakers, about the events, about the hiring companies, about, and yes, definitely getting the job offers, interview invites, etc. So please, Sargam, you also add if I missed anything.
Yeah, sure. So, I mean, there is another question related with the same question, because okay, now many attendees also ask this part here. For example, I have registered for the Budapest event, right? So, will I be able to join the Vienna event as well, or if I have created my profile on High Tech Talent, right? So, how can I join the events? How will I get the notification or something that okay, this kind of event is going to organize at this location or something?
Sure. When you have created your profile on High Tech Talent, there is the option that you will be getting like apply for the ticket for the particular events. So whether you have applied for one event or multiple event, this is completely your choice. But yes, this is very open there, open to share that you can pick multiple events you are interested in, unless until you should have your, your presence for the event. That's very important when you are having the tickets. So yes, if you are available for the particular location for the particular time, the event has like suppose that the event is in June month or maybe in May, etc. So when you are having your presence for the particular time at the particular event, so definitely you can go for the ticket and explore more about your further career journey at the particular, event, and get in touch with lot many exhibitors, come companies there as well as.
Yeah, that's great. So one time, profile creation will work for I can join the events, right? And also, there will be multiple exhibitors, so they will contact to me, right? And they can, we can also schedule the interview, right? So,
Yeah.
how any company they will how they can apply to me, or how the interview scheduling process, how it will be.
So, Sargam, I found three questions in this. Once you said that when you are open for multiple location, definitely you need to select this option that you are open for the multiple locations. So there is an option when you will be creating your profile. Location preferred location option will be, popping up. So yes, you need to select multiple location you are interested in, and once the profile has been created, then as I mentioned earlier, you can go for the ticketing option for multiple events. And yes, you need to create your one profile only, not multiple profile for multiple events, one profile. And yes, you can get hired for the multiple event, sorry, for the multiple event based exhibitors. You just need to keep yourself open for the particular location. See, if you have mentioned that, yeah, I'm open for the Spain event, and my location
Mhm.
is Spain, or maybe I'm open for UK also. So until unless you are not mentioning that you are willing to, you are open for relocation, or you are interested in for that location like UK. So how companies will get to know that you are open for that particular location? So some filters, some keywords will work for you, and then you will be, your profile will be visible to that particular exhibitor. So if I'll share with an example, I think that will be a great way to let you know, guys. Suppose I'm a candidate and I'm from Spain and I'm looking for a job in UK, and I have mentioned in my profile that I'm open for Spain and UK also. So if any company is looking for a candidate who knows Spanish very well and is interested to shift or relocate for the UK location. So this way, you are the one who will be on the top list, and I'm sure this way you will be your profile will get highlighted, and they will be definitely contact you. So this is
Yeah,
how
that
location works. I think. Yeah.
yeah,
Yes,
that's
please.
I think this is a very good feature for job seekers, right? If they are they have all over the Europe, they can maybe they can do the work in Vienna or in London or somewhere, right? So they can definitely they can go and they can take a look at the other locations as well. So definitely it will be helpful, really. So, as a Bindu, if I can say, uh, as a job seeker, if I have created my profile, right, and even my completed profile, right, I have filled all the details over there. So, what will be the next process? Like, as you have already mentioned, like it will be go for the verification process or something, right? So, how this verification process works?
If I have not mistaken, you asked it for candidate or for exhibitors?
Yes, as a candidate.
Okay, okay. Yes, Sargam, they just need to create their profile and get it done, the screening process done by our talent advocate. And yes, they need to be sure that they have completed their profile, and multiple events they can attend. And this way our speakers are also having some tech talks, speaking session, etc., so they can attend online or webinar, this kind of so they can attend. And yes, definitely after that they will be after the event, and even though some companies are active before the event also, so they might be finding your profile suitable for their opening and they will be reaching out to you. But yes, I think, Sargam, next question might be how long it takes, for
Yeah.
companies to reach to so this is completely depends on each and every profile, because it is first, from our side we have seen a very good ratio when a candidate has completed the profile and screened, and I can say like interviewed and approved the profile is 100% approved. If the profile is 100% approved, and just creating the profile and just sitting and waiting will really not work for you. If you have gained some more knowledge, some additionally experience if you have gained, so we are always requesting you to add those your I can say additional stuff, so that you will be having more I can say relevant profiles when a company will be looking for the particular skill or etc. So any course you have added during the time, so you will be having the benefit of getting your profile highlighted if that particular um, I can say course will work for you. So this way, whatever, whenever you are, suppose you are at first year you are having 5 years of experience, 3 years or 13 years of experience, but after a few months you are having more experience, you are learning some more stuff. So we always request to add those features, as add those skill set and new experience and learnings, so that you will be gaining more attention on our platform. But yes, this will definitely help you when you are creating your profile and getting your profile visible by our talent advocate on the platform.
Okay, that's great. And Vidhu, as a recruiter, I'm going to ask my next question. So definitely there are many recruiters as well who are they are watching this session. So as a employer, how can I get access of this platform?
Yes, it's quite easy. Get in contact with us, create your profile. We will be giving you a proper demo and those features which will really work for you. And you can create your job openings here. And there are lot many benefits, Sargam. Like they can also attend the events. They can be at our virtual events. They can be if the particular specific location they are from. They can attend our event also. And there are event itself is having lot many benefits, because we are promoting their jobs, and we are their jobs we are making we can say we are promoting their jobs, let our candidates also get notification about the job. So this way high tech talent is playing an important role when their jobs are being showcased on our platform, and they are getting the relevant candidates based on their jobs posted. So this is not only a month or a day or a week stuff. This is a longer time. Whenever any new profile will come, they will also get the notification, and this way they will be it is something which is will keep them updated in the market. So this is very important when a company is getting the very fresh skills. And for exhibitors, I think it is very important to get in connect with the job seekers. There are lot many applicants, but there is a difference between a job seeker and a candidate, or I can say an applicant. So every applicant is not a job seeker, right? So
Yeah,
here this is the stuff which is our our talent advocate or our talent advisor are playing an important role. They are meeting with the candidates one to one, and this way it is very helpful for exhibitors to meet the candidates who are really job seekers, right?
Yeah. Thank you so much, Bindu. I hope these questions will help our viewers. And yeah, as I already mentioned, we have some questions from the viewer side as well. And okay, from Parth asked here, like, do we help to find internship or working students as well? I mean, Yeah, I mean, from the internship level or a fresher level to the experience level, right? Every sort of working years of experience can, yeah, definitely they can create their profile, right, Bindu?
Yes, there are lot many companies who are looking for the candidates who are open for the internship, and so yes, but you will be definitely getting in touch with the companies which who are looking for this kind of candidates who are open for the internship.
Nice. And okay, next question. I think it's about our user. Yeah, so yeah, Eric has mentioned here like I'm a React Native developer internship. I think he is looking for this one. So yes, Eric, I would suggest you to create your profile, complete profile on the High Tech Talent platform. And then, as Bindu mentioned, as per the verification process, our talent advocates will verify your details and they will connect with you on one-to-one call. And once your profile will get approved, then our exhibitors or the employees they will connect with you and they will schedule the interview. So this will be the hiring process, right? So yeah, we do anything. I think as we are running out of time here, so we'll have to end this session. But anything if you would like to add here?
I just like to add here that create your profile and definitely get in touch with our talent advocate. They will definitely help you. And for exhibitors, I think pre-screen candidates are the key skill, key of this platform, where you will be having the screen candidates, and it is a tech-based, focused platform. So this will definitely solve your IT and tech-based profile hiring and yeah. Yes, so this is definitely going to help for the candidates for their career journey. We just need to, create the profile and attend our events. So yes, Sargam, I think this was very interactive sessions. We have
Yeah,
discussed a lot many questions. We are seeing at our backend. So hopefully, we try to help them via this session. So hopefully, this has been informative for them as well as yeah.
yeah. Thank you so much, Bindu, and thank you everyone for joining this session. And thank you, Bindu, again for sharing about the platform. It was such an informative session, as you mentioned. And your insight and expertise in the field of talent acquisition, recruitment have been truly valuable and insightful. So thank you so much again. And see you everyone in the next session. Yeah,
Thank you, everyone. Thanks, Sargam. It's a pleasure interacting with you here.
thank you.